Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. This unboxing is happening much later in the month than I normally do my Boxycharm unboxing, but that's because I signed up for the Boxycharm Premium. So this is my first time ever getting Boxycharm Premium, which is why I think it came a little bit later in the month. Here is my regular Boxycharm, which came probably like over a week ago, but I wanted to save it and wait and do a comparison unboxing. But I'm really excited. I had been contemplating signing up for Boxycharm for a while, or the Boxycharm Premium, I mean. But I was watching a bunch of the unboxing videos and I felt like FOMO, like I was missing out on really great products. I honestly wish I had signed up sooner to get that Fenty box because I still have never tried out a Fenty product. But maybe I'll end up getting some in my Boxycharm Premium this month or in the future. Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month and the regular Boxycharm is $25 a month. The Boxycharm Premium is supposed to have a retail value of $175, but figures, my luck, the first time I sign up for it, I get this email from Boxycharm saying that they did not hit $175 worth of product, which I do appreciate the honesty. So they gave me $25 to use at the Boxycharm pop-up. So I'm not sure if my products will be in the box. I've never actually done the Boxycharm pop-up, but so I got $25 worth of stuff, but you have free shipping if you spend $25 at the Boxycharm pop-up. But then when I used my $25 credit that I got because my premium box didn't reach $175 value, I ended up having to pay for shipping because my price at the Boxycharm pop-up was no longer $25. So I was kind of bummed about that. My first experience so far with Boxycharm Premium has not been the best, but I have no idea what I'm getting in here, so I'm really excited to unbox. So let me go ahead and start with the regular Boxycharm that I have here. This is the $25 a month box, and I've been getting this for a few months now, and I have been really liking it. So let's see what I got this month. So I see 5 products in here. I did not get a product card, but I'm pretty sure I did get the product card in my email. So let me pull that up so I can figure out my retail value. I never even realized that I was getting my product card in my email. It's pretty hidden in the email, but if you were wondering about that, check your email, the email that says that your Boxycharm has shipped. And so I didn't even know what I was getting because I didn't click my product card. So why don't I start with, I see lots of pink packaging, which of course I love. Let's choose this one, Beauty Creations Cali Chic. I am not familiar with this brand, Beauty Creations, but I absolutely love trying out new makeup brands and learning about new makeup brands through my unboxings, which if you're not aware, I also get all 3 Ipsy glam bags. So I get the regular $12 glam bag, the $25 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I did all of my unboxings, reviewed all of those products on my channel, so go and check out those videos if you're interested. I also will be doing my full face makeup tutorial using all of my Ipsy products. That'll be coming up very soon. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to see that. I'll also be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products I get in my Boxycharm boxes this month. And I was thinking I would do a full face makeup tutorial using all of my Boxycharm products as well, because now I'm going to be having more products. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing that video, because I think that would be really fun to start doing every month since I'm getting 2 Boxycharm boxes. But so back to the box. This here, oh no. Look at that, the eyeshadow here is shattered. I've never had a broken product in Boxycharm before, so hopefully they replace it. I mean, this is probably still usable. But yeah, that shade is completely shattered, which is so sad. This looks like a really pretty palette though. I hope I can get a replacement. Ooh. Ipsy is really good at replacing damaged product. So hopefully Boxycharm is the same way. So this is the Beauty Creations Cosmetics Cali Chic Eyeshadow Palette. Retail value of $14.99. Oh wow, my premium box information is in this same email. I didn't look at it yet, but that's cool. Next up, is this the product I chose? I can't remember what product I chose. This is from the brand Blink. It's Black Lash Primer. I was hoping I would get this. I don't think I chose this, but I saw this in an unboxing that Kelly Strack did. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. But I use a lash primer every day, and I'm really excited to try this one out. It's Black Lash Primer. I've only ever tried White Lash Primer, so this will be really cool. And I have not tried out any products from the brand Blink. So far, 2 new brands of makeup products for me. So yeah, Blink Ink Black Lash Primer, retail value of $26. That's pretty expensive for a lash primer, but my go-to lash primer is the Lancome Sills Booster, I think is what it's called, and that one's pretty expensive as well. So I tend to spend a lot of money on my lash primers. Next up, I'll pull out, oh my gosh, this is adorable packaging. This is Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade. What is it? Lip gloss. Ooh, that sounds nice. I love lip products, and I've been really liking Dominique Cosmetics. I have not tried out many products yet, but through Boxycharm, I'm slowly but surely building my collection. Retail value of $17. This next product is from Hourglass. It's the Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. I don't think I've ever tried out an Hourglass product, and I'm so excited. I have watched so many YouTube videos and tutorials that have used Hourglass products that people rave about, so I'm so excited to have my first one here. I have this in the shade Rose Gold Flash. Ooh, retail value of $42. Oh my gosh, the packaging on this seems so luxurious, and this is big. This is kind of broken as well. What the heck, Boxycharm? Why are all my products damaged? I feel like this one's not broken enough that I would ask for a replacement, but it's been like smushed at the top. Oh, bummer. But I'm still really excited to try this out. My first Hourglass product. And then the last product here. Oh my gosh, the packaging on this is beautiful, all pink. Look at how pretty. This is from Wander Beauty. Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Ooh, I love Wander Beauty. Whoa, $42 retail value on this. I am so excited about everything I got. I'm just really bummed that some of it was damaged, but the products itself, I'm so excited about because this is pretty much all makeup. This Wander Beauty, this is probably more of like a skincare product, but I'm still really excited about it. I feel like you could still use it with makeup and in your makeup looks, maybe for a no foundation type of makeup look. So really excited about that. And then the rest is Pure Makeup, the Hourglass highlighter stick, the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss, which I didn't even take this out of the box. I'm really curious what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at how beautiful that is. And then the Blink Lash Primer and the Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette. If you have any experience with Boxycharm replacing damaged products, let me know in the comments down below. Any tips, who you think I should contact, because I don't know. Hopefully I can figure it out. But all in all, I'm really, really excited about this. Oh, let me tell you the retail value. $141.99. Oh my gosh, and I definitely feel like it's worth that much. These are all products that I would want to purchase on my own, but I wouldn't have because they're definitely expensive to me. But I paid $25 for all of that, which would have cost $141.99. That is amazing. I'm so, so excited. Hopefully this Boxycharm Premium is also worth it to me. All right, here goes my first ever Boxycharm Premium. So the thing with Boxycharm is you don't get makeup bags, which is kind of a bummer. In every Ipsy Glam bag you get makeup bags, but all right, here it is. This is a pretty empty box. They could have just put all of this in the regular Boxycharm size box. Lots of empty space here. Hopefully things aren't damaged. But ooh, I see a Milk makeup product, and I've never tried out a Milk makeup product before. So that's really exciting to me about Boxycharm, is that it gets me to be able to try out brands of makeup that are pretty pricey, that maybe are only available at Sephora, and I do most of my shopping at Ulta. just brands that I've been wanting to try but hadn't yet. So this is so exciting for me. So what is this? This is Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. Ooh, that sounds awesome. This retails for $15. And I got it in the shade Flare. Ooh, this is going to be so fun. I love a multitasking product, so I can't wait to try this out. Next, I'll pull out, from the brand Spongelli. I've tried out the Spongelli sponges that have the body wash built into them that I really, really like. Salted Rose Mani-Pedi Treatment Set. Cleanse, exfoliate, soften, hydrate. So it looks like I have 6 products in my Boxycharm Premium versus the 5 products in the regular Boxycharm. I'm glad this is only $10 more because you don't get that much more. Oh wow, weird. There's just these 2 sponges in here, which smells so nice already. Oh, so I guess you use the soft side to wash your feet, the rough side to like scrub at them, exfoliate. This will be really nice because I actually have been needing to exfoliate my feet. I use a pumice stone, but my feet have been getting dry, so this will be really great. Oh, I'm actually going to love this. Not a makeup product, but it's a product that I don't have that I'm really excited to use that I really need. So the Spongelli Mani-Pedi Treatment Set retails for $18. Next up, this is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, Double Duty Beauty. I love this primer. So I have actually tried this product out before because I got it in my Ipsy bag in a sample size and I love it. I will have that review video linked in the description down below if you want to see it. I'm so excited that I got the full size version because this is a product that I had wanted to purchase in the full size. I love it that much. So I am so excited to have this now. This is such a great primer. Next up, I'll pull out, Kat Von D Inkwell Liner. What shade? In the shade Lolita. Let me just tell you first that the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer retails for $30. And then the Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Inkwell Liquid Liner here retails for $20. But is this hopefully not a black liquid eyeliner? Okay, I think this is in this pink shade. Let's check it out. Yes, it is. I have been wanting to get a colored liquid eyeliner for a while because I've been getting so many black liquid eyeliners. So I'm really excited for this change up. This looks really nice. $20, wow. So yeah, if I'm gonna get a liquid eyeliner in my box, I want it to be colored. So I'm pretty excited about this. And then we've got, Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. I actually tried out my first Sugar Rush product from my May Ipsy Glam bags and I love it. It's the liquid lipstick and I wanted to try out more products from the Tarte Sugar Rush and oh my gosh, this packaging is amazing. Look at this. This is the cutest lip balm ever. I got this in the shade Peony and I love lip products, hydrating lip products. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. I'm really excited about all the brands in this Glam Bag Premium. I've heard of all of them and they're brands that I love or I've been wanting to try. The Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm retails for $12. And my last product for my Boxycharm Premium is from Stila. If I've tried Stila before, it's been very few products, but I have heard so many great things about Stila and I've been wanting to get more Stila products. This is the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I have never tried out the Stila liquid eyeshadows and I remember seeing them in Boxycharm and hoping I would get one and I finally did. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This looks like a beautiful color, rose gold retro. Oh my gosh, finally. Oh, and it's so beautiful. So retails for $24. I can't believe I haven't tried out these Stila glitter liquid eyeshadows yet, but now is the time. I am so excited. Okay, this box is so worth it to me. All brands that I'm so excited about, all products that I'm so excited about. I'm really happy that I signed up for Boxycharm Premium because I'm such like a makeup lover. I got almost all makeup products except for that one Spongelli product, but like I said, I'm really excited about that. Products that I have been wanting to purchase, wanting to try, but I got them for such a good deal. I'm gonna add up my retail value, even though I know it's not what would normally come in the Boxycharm Premium. Yeah, so my total retail value of my Boxycharm Premium is $119. But I paid $35 for it, so that's great. However, Boxycharm gave me $25 to use at the pop-up shop. If it was only $119 value, and it's supposed to be $175, they should have given me $56 to use. So I actually feel like I got gypped. Even though I know the Boxycharm pop-up, you get more value, like you pay a lower price than what they would normally cost. Still, that's annoying. They should have made up the difference fully. But at least I'm really excited about the products. If I wasn't super excited about the products and I had gone through all of that annoying Boxycharm Premium stuff, then I would have been pretty mad, but I'm really excited about these products, so I'm happy about it. But it's crazy that my retail value is $119 in my Boxycharm Premium versus it was like $142 in my regular Boxycharm. So if this video was comparing which one is worth more, if it's worth getting the premium, it's not, because the Boxycharm itself is better value and you only get one less product. But since I'm a makeup lover, I'm really excited and I feel like it's so worth getting the Boxycharm Premium. So I'll do the quick recap of what I got in my Boxycharm Premium as well. So I got the Milk Makeup Glow Lip and Cheek Oil, the Spongelli Manicure and Pedicure Set, the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, the Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner, and the Stila Liquid Eyeshadow Glitter and Glow. So I have really, really awesome, exciting makeup products that I can't wait to try out in my full dedicated review videos. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on those. Turn on the notifications. And let me know in the comments down below what you got in your Boxycharm boxes for the month of May. Let me know if you get premium as well and if you think it's worth it. Right now, I'm really excited, so I'm gonna continue getting it. I'm really excited for next month's box already. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.